Dear students, now that you have revised the concept of the kinds of sentence, it is quite easy for you to understand that whenever you have a sentence in the direct narration, its reported speech may contain any one of these four kinds of the sentence along with their subkinds. For example, the sentence that you see on your screen right now has a reported speech containing a declarative sentence. I read the sentence for you, which is, she said to me, comma inverted commas begin, I respect you and your family, full stop, inverted commas closed. You understand now, after revising all the kinds of sentence, that in this case, the reported speech is a declarative sentence. Similarly, I can share with you more examples in which the reported speech may contain any one of these four kinds of the sentence that you have revised in the previous part of my lecture. Here comes one more example. I read the first sentence for you. She said to me, comma inverted commas begin, have you bought the tickets? Question mark, inverted commas closed. You can easily identify that in this case, the reported speech contains a simple interrogative sentence or a simple question. The question starting with an auxiliary verb. Similarly, in the second example, which is, she said to me, comma inverted commas begin, what are you doing here? Question mark, inverted commas closed. This time, the reported speech contains a complex question. So, the reported speech may contain any type of question. Reported speech may contain a declarative sentence. And in further examples, we will see that the reported speech may contain other kinds of sentence which we have revised in the previous part of the lecture. More examples are like these two sentences. I read the first one for you. He said to her, comma inverted commas begin, open the door, full stop, inverted commas closed. You know that in this case, the reported speech contains a command. Similarly, in the second example, which is, he said to the king, comma inverted commas begin, please forgive me, full stop, inverted commas closed. You know that in this example, the reported speech contains a request. In more examples, you will see, like in the first sentence now on your screen, which I read for you, I said to him, comma inverted commas begin, take care of your health, full stop, inverted commas closed. You know that in this case, the reported speech contains a piece of advice. Similarly, in the next example, I read the sentence for you. He said to her, comma inverted commas begin, let us walk in the park, full stop, inverted commas closed. No need to tell you that in this case, the reported speech contains a suggestion or proposal. In further examples, we will see that there can be other possibilities of different kinds of the sentence appearing in the reported speech, like what we see on your screen, two sentences. I read the first one for you. You said to him, comma inverted commas begin, aha, sign of exclamation, we are going to the zoo, full stop, inverted commas closed. In this case, you know that the reported speech contains an exclamatory sentence starting with an interjection. And in the last example, I read the sentence for you first of all. He said to her, comma, inverted commas begin. What a beautiful scene! Sign of exclamation, inverted commas closed. You know that once again the reported speech contains another type of exclamatory sentence which entails a powerful feeling of admiration.